I have started adding these small changes in my life where when I wake up, I try my best to make my bed and especially not touch my phone. And the second one that I've really been following more than this one is whenever I come back in my room at night, I will make sure to keep my clothes back in the cupboard or put them in wash. Like, it's not gonna just lay around on my floor anymore. I've tried my best to make that a ritual because I had this very bad habit of just taking off my makeup and going straight to bed. So every time I would wake up in the morning, I would see clothes everywhere. There were like tons and tons of clothes on the side of my bed. It was just gross and I couldn't deal with it anymore. And I'm not even gonna lie, since I've started doing that, it's made my life so much easier, so much like better. Every morning I'm not waking up to my mom taunting me on why my bedroom is so dirty, and I'm just not waking up feeling weird in this room. Like right now I look at this room, it's not at its worst position. Like I have seen this room in such a bad state. I kid you not, there were clothes on the floor, there were clothes over here. And I'm telling you, when I say I have a lot of clothes, that's an understatement. I really have a lot of clothes. My cupboard has been overflowing. Every time I try to organize it, it just 3 days in and it's like fully messed up again. So overall, these small habits have really helped me change a lot. Also, excuse my voice, it's been gone for quite some time now. Hopefully it comes back soon because this is not the vibe. I'm missing my old pretty voice. I have been trying to keep my routine as simple as possible. Just trying to focus on the basics like serum, moisturizer, all of that. But I'm not even gonna lie, I have been binging on sweets. Like I have had everything. I finished 2 tubs of ice cream in the past, I think 1 week. Like, yeah, one and a half week. And it was just bad. Like I don't know why I was doing that, but I was just doing that. I've had cookies, I've had ice cream, I've had chocolate cones, literally you name it and I've had it. And I genuinely forgot that really affects my skin. Like I've noticed it so many times that when I have a lot of sweet, it often tends to break my skin out very easily and it's just bad. If I'm being real right now, my skin is in a much better position than it was in like a few months ago. If you're talking about bad, I think that was bad. Like I had acne, I had pimples, I had boils, like my whole cheekbone was filled with acne marks. Most of the time I was just scared if that would ever actually go back to normal, and it eventually did because skin heals, but it was a scary phase. Sun protection is also necessary inside the house, guys. Honestly, this skincare time that I've started giving myself, it just feels like heaven because I don't think I get time to myself. And whenever I do my skincare, it just gives me those 5 minutes of relaxation and peace where I don't have to think about anyone or anything else, and especially not work, because सबसे ज़्यादा मेरे दिमाग में अगर कुछ चलता है then it's work. What I have to edit, what I have to post, what I have to shoot. Okay, now I need to go figure out what I want to wear. such a coffee person. I did plan on making tea this morning, but नहीं हुआ यार. I didn't want to, and I haven't had coffee in God knows how many months, especially in the morning. Like, I have coffee in the evening or like probably in the afternoon or something, but not really in the morning. And it has been long since I got myself a cup of coffee first thing in the morning. I don't recommend this daily, okay? Please just let's not romanticize the fact that I'm having coffee every morning, because I'm not. Oh, also, I am currently reading the book Never Lie by Frida McFadden. It is really amazing, and it is such a page turner, I would say. But it is a little slow paced. I feel like they could have fastened it up quite a bit. But it's alright, I'm actually really enjoying it. My vision board, which is currently up here, like on my wardrobe. This earlier used to be on the back of my door, like my main room door. Now I know many of you all would question, why have you put it up here? So there are two main reasons for that. One would be that I have this habit of hanging clothes behind the door. So it would be clothes mainly. So right now I got my bathrobe, so it's sometimes my bathrobe, or it's some, like, there are like two bags, and then there's this random dupatta. I don't know why it's there, but it's there. So in my room there's very random stuff and at very random places. So I would hang things, and the vision board would always sort of hide behind it, and I couldn't actually see it all the time. So when I went to Goa and like I came back, when I was leaving for Goa, my vision board sort of like just came off. I don't know how that happened, but that happened. And then it was just on my bed, and it was going idhar se udhar, and then I went to Goa, and mom piche se sort of removed it jahan bhi tha, and then she put it here. And tab se it's just been here, and it's the first thing I look at when I wake up, because it's right in front of me. You know, it's like you wake up and zyadatar logon ke ghar ke room ke just they wake up and unke samne TV hota hai, just like that. For me it's my vision board, which is very weird, but yeah, it's there, and it really is helpful, you know. So one of my friend is like in Europe, I think, right now, and I have this one picture on my vision board. It's of a few makeup products, right? So there's this one Kiko ka lip gloss, and I did not think of it as meko yahi products chahiye. Like when I was putting that picture, in my head it was like, oh, you know what, I want more makeup. And by chance, my friend is getting me the exact same lip gloss that's there on my vision board, the exact same shade, the exact same brand. I was just so shocked, and I'm like, how did that even happen? Because we recently became friends. Like, it's very new. Like, we just started talking and we recently got close. I am like, hello, what? But yeah, I feel like vision boards really work, and since I've put it up here, it has definitely changed my life. First of all, because my mindset has changed. Second of all, because I am just overall a lot more productive. And third of all, I actually have changed as a person in the past 1 week, I think. It is literally that recent. Now, I don't know if we can say it's because of the board or not, but I have started keeping my room clean, which is very new, hello, and started reading again, started going for sports out of nowhere. I have become more considerate, I would say, and more calm. Yeah. Just overall, I feel like I'm finally living the Pinterest life, and it has been amazing. Only thing that I do want to change is my feed, like a little bit on Instagram. I want to change that. I'm very not really vibing with it, sort of. But yeah, other than that, life has been amazing. Since I've gotten back from Goa, it's like my life has just changed. And one small change that I did realize was that my vision board was here. So now, because of seeing good visuals right in front of me as soon as I wake up, I have changed as a person. So here is your sign. Vision boards do work. And now what's the next thing? Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna scroll on Pinterest for a bit because I haven't really opened Pinterest in quite a bit. So yeah, and after that I think I'm gonna do a little bit of dusting because my room is just like, my study table is a little bit of a mess and it's bothering me now. Wow, that was a long rant. I haven't spoken this much in the entire video जितना मैंने एक segment में कर दिया है. But it's fine. You guys know how talkative I am, so I don't care. Okay, now let's actually start like Pinterest scrolling because why the hell not? I really wanted to like clear this space up, but I don't have time right now. I need to start working on other stuff. Like I have a bit of editing left, plus I need to upload my YouTube video, plus I need to make the thumbnail of that video. So there is a lot to do and there is very less time to do it because the video needs to be uploaded by like 12:30 and currently it is 11:15. So making the thumbnail and all really takes an hour. It's okay, hopefully I'll do it in a bit, but I will have to end this vlog here since morning is over. It is time to get back into my routine and just work. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Let me know how you guys like this one because I did plan it out thoroughly and I really put a lot of thought into this video. So if you guys like it, please let me know and I will see you guys later. Bye!